Is there any hidden physical reality underlying the strange behavior of quantum world, or is it the reality and illusion in the eye of observer? The weird phenomenon of quantum entanglement gives the clues towards the answer. Started with a debate between Albert Einstein and Neil Bohr. Neil Bohr believed in the world like if you can't see it, it doesn't exist. Like you can see behind me, yeah, it's real for you, but not for me. I'm now observing it. Albert Einstein believed in the world exists no matter you observe it or not. Like the park behind me, it exists no matter I see it, I observe it or not. You might be thinking that why am I explaining all these bizarre ideas and arguments between Albert Einstein and Neil Bohr? Actually, this all started with quantum mechanics. Albert Einstein didn't like quantum mechanics at all. Yeah, he was the first to describe photoelectric effect and other stuff that gave birth to quantum mechanics. But it was like giving birth to an unwanted child. He didn't like it because he believed that real things can be described by some knowable quantities, and not just the way Neil Bohr thought, that if you close your eyes, the world would disappear because you're not observing it. But when he observed the quantum entanglement, he was unable to understand why this is happening. So he named it spooky action at distance. In order to move forward towards the beast quantum entanglement, we need to know what a spin is. As we look at the microscopic particles, that is quantum particles. Yeah, quantum is just a fancy name for extremely small or fundamental particles. It's nothing to be get scared of, right? These particles move in a certain way, like a top, like they spin. Like if it works for you, like you can imagine a top. It may spin clockwise or anti-clockwise or whatsoever they want, right? This is how it works. When two subatomic particles interact, they become entangled. That means their spin, position, or other properties become linked through a process unknown to modern science. Yeah, it is still unknown. If you then make a measurement of one of the particles, then that instantaneously determines what the behavior of the other particle should be. And when the experiment is done, it's found that indeed the other particle quantum state is exactly determined once you have made the measurement of partner particle's quantum state. That means if a scientist observes one entangled particle and forces it to spin clockwise, the other entangled particle will immediately start spinning in the opposite direction. That seems intriguing, but it's hardly earth-shattering until you consider that the two entangled particles can be separated by billions of light years, and still the moment you observe one particle spin, you have dictated the other particle spin. Maybe the way we are thinking is not right. That's why I showed you the arguments between the Einstein and Neil Bohr, that both have the different way of thinking, like what is reality and what's not. And maybe we need to think of something else which will work for us, because we doesn't know our maximum of the universe, like 95% is dark energy and dark matter, which we don't know much about. I believe now we know that what quantum entanglement means, like two particles are connected somehow, that they allow the transit of information, and that seems that it moves faster than light. Like even if they are in different galaxies, that would happen instantaneously. So does that really violate the special relativity theory by Einstein? I don't know, but I'm a believer in the special relativity theory by Einstein. So according to me, what happens is, instead of going faster than speed of light, the information, if instead of going faster than speed of light, it just takes another route or another way. And what does I mean by that? I think maybe from by wormholes, like the way Einstein suggested.